contactless payments, contactless access, contactless charging, contactless pairing, and contactless tracking. How can it all be done with this paper-thin tag, and how can you save your love life? Let me show you. Earlier this year I was visiting my family in Israel and someone tried to break into our storage room, in the building where there are cameras. Crazy people. Anyways, they didn't manage, but they broke the lock. So I went to buy a new one, and as I was about to pay, I saw a large sign saying contactless payments is not Wi-Fi payments. I was laughing and at the same time I was sad because the people don't distinguish between the two technologies. They were actually asking, can I pay with Wi-Fi? Maybe because the signs are similar, so let's clarify it out and talk about this technology, which is also known as RFID and NFC. RFID enables wireless communication between devices using RFID readers and RFID tags. The reader emits a radio signal that is converted into an electromagnetic field by a built-in antenna, and the tag has a microchip and an antenna. When the tag enters to the reader's range, it is powered on by its energy from the electromagnetic field. The microchip responds to it by sending its signal back to the reader. The signal can contain data encoded on the tag, such as ID numbers or security code. RFID systems can be categorized by their frequency bands. So we have low frequencies, high frequencies, and ultra-high frequencies. Radio waves behave differently depending on this frequency. So for example, if we are having an RFID system that operates on lower frequency, it has slower data rates but increased capabilities for reading near or on metal or liquid surfaces. If a system operates at higher frequency, it generally has faster data transfer and longer read range, but it is more sensitive to radio waves, interferences caused by liquids and metals in the environment. Similar to other technologies, RFID started in the military and it was only later adopted by other industries such as retail or healthcare. It has been around since the 1940s, but it wasn't used that much until the 1970s when the first RFID patents were filed. On the other hand, NFC technologies was first introduced in 2002 as a subset of RFID. NFC was designed to operate over shorter distances than RFID, making it more suitable for contactless payments systems and other close-range applications. NFC technologies quickly gained popularity in the mobile phone industry, and many smartphones today come with a built-in NFC capabilities. As I already mentioned, NFC is a subset of RFID, but there are some differences between those two technologies. For example, RFID operates at various frequencies, while NFC operates only at 13.56 MHz. Therefore, NFC works for shorter ranges. RFID tags can store larger amount of data than NFC tags, making them useful for applications that require more information to be stored on the tag, and that's why they are typically more expensive than NFC tags. RFID is an open standard. NFC is a subset of RFID that has been standardized by the NFC Forum, a group of companies promoting the technology. NFC technology has built-in security features such as encryption and authentication, making it more secure than RFID. On a day-to-day basis, we use NFC technology for contactless payments, for access control, for transportation systems. In the industry, those technologies are used in tracking inventory levels, monitoring sales, and reducing theft incidents. Overall, they enable new level of efficiency, productivity, and customer engagement. So how can you actually use them for your advantage? Well, it can be a reminder, it can set a timer, it can open various links and videos, and it can also open your navigation system when you are traveling. There are endless possibilities. All you need is a phone with NFC technology, an application, and an NFC tag that costs less than $1. You can find them and other RFID equipment on our website TME.eu or just follow the link in the description. As you can see, there are endless possibilities with RFID and NFC technology. How do you use RFID or NFC in your life? Let us know in the comments below. And one of my favorite uses of NFC tags is to leave a nice message to your loved one without anyone else knowing about it.